What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here. Today we're going to install the Reaper OffRoad rear bumper. Alright guys, so first I wanted to give you a close look at the quality in this bumper. I really love the coating they went with. Seems like it's really durable and it's going to hold up. Just the quality on some of these welds is amazing. You can tell they really took care in making this a quality bumper. They even sent these little silver aluminum pieces to put behind their logo so it really pops. Now you can paint this if you want. I think I'm going to leave mine aluminum for now. We'll see how it looks. And it even comes with these little brackets to mount your lights if you want to put lights in here. I don't have the lights right now, so we're not going to mount the lights. You can get this bumper with the light holes cut already or without them. It's up to you. But I'm very highly impressed with this bumper. So let's get it on the Jeep. First step, well, if you didn't remove your rear bumper, that would be the absolute first step, but I'm not going to go over that in this video. If you need help removing your factory rear bumper, let me know. I'll post a link to a great how-to video on how to do that. First, we're going to install these plates behind their logos. It's not sticking out behind here, and you just put this plate on, and it comes with these hex nuts, and you just screw them right on. Now you don't want to over tighten this, but you want it not to rattle, so just do it tight enough. Nice and snug's fine. Alright, now if you have your factory receiver installed here, I believe this little cutout, you should be able to go right over. So let's throw this thing on and make sure it fits over that. Recording. Alright guys, you may notice a different outfit. It's a different day. I got really frustrated with the install. To be honest, I got really frustrated with the install on the day I was working on it. It was like 90 degrees, I was sweating my butt off. It was just a pain. I couldn't get things to go in, but let me show you how it installs and some of the reasons I was having trouble. Alright, so the bumper just slides into your frame rails, but if your frame rails are dirty at all, especially with the coating that they put on this, it won't slide in very well. So make sure you clean out your frame rails really well, and it'll slide right in after you get your frame rails cleaned. The thing I wanted to bring up is it's super simple to install this. There's 2 bolts on each side. You got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on the other side. The only problem is I guess the frame changed on some of the models. They're going to look into providing you with a template. They're going to look at providing you guys a template for if you don't have the holes on the other side. So let me show you the other side, and I actually had to drill the holes. Alright, on here, the bottom bolt here, I actually had to drill a hole, and the top bolt hole there, it actually had a hole, but it wasn't big enough, so I had to ream it out. I'm not exactly sure on the drill bit size. I just know you have to make it big enough to fit those bolts. I only had a 1/2 inch, so I kind of had to ream it out until the bolts could fit in there. But it's just the 2 bolts, and once you get those in there, it's line it right up, bolt it right in. Super simple to install after that. I just want to say I really like the look of this bumper. We'll insert some shots here of some close-ups of the bumper, but I've been running it for a day or 2 now, and this thing's solid. Those 4 bolts hold it on phenomenally. The build, the craftsmanship is really well done in this bumper. The little details like the aluminum plates to go behind their logo really makes the logo pop, and it's something that looks really neat. Now if you need any help with the install, just leave a comment below and I will get right back to you, and I'll help you make sure you can install your bumper as well. And feel free to reach out to the company Reaper OffRoad if you have any comments, suggestions on what you'd like to see them make next. They're just starting out, so they got a front bumper, rear bumper, they got this nice tramp stamp, and they also have some pod light mounts. And also make sure you go like Reaper OffRoad on Instagram. They're doing a huge giveaway, giving away a bumper for when they reach, I think it's 10,000 followers on Instagram. So make sure you go follow them on Instagram. Tell them the Bearded Jeeper sent you, and hopefully you guys will win that free bumper. That'd be really cool to see one of my subscribers win that bumper. So that's the install. Once again, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you guys out. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.